Creating pivot table from one data range is simple, but how to create one pivot table from multiple data range? This question was asked by one of my subscribers, so I am here to showcase the step-by-step process to create a single pivot table from multiple datasets. There will be two categories of data. Either all the datasets are of same headers or the headers will be different in different datasets. In this tutorial, I am assuming that the datasets are having same column headers. In this category, two situations might occur. In situation 1, there might be two or more data ranges in two or more sheets, but all are in one workbook, like this Excel workbook. In situation 2, it might happen that the data is in two or more different Excel workbooks in different locations. There can be few more situations which we will discuss in upcoming videos. Let's understand these situations first. Situation 1. Datasets are in different sheets in one workbook. This Excel workbook has two sheets, 2014 and 2015. This order date is for year 2014 and this order date is for 2015. Now, if you look closely, you will notice that the column headers are same. You can check these headers using equal sign. I have two options to create pivot table from these datasets. First option is simple: copy one sheet's data and paste it into the next sheet's data below it. That is appending data. Now you can make pivot table, but if there are more than two sheets like 15 or 30 or more, then we need to follow a different approach. So what we need to do is to convert these data ranges into tables using Ctrl+T. Now, like every table, we will get table names automatically like table 1 and table 2. You can change the table name, it's your decision. Now go to data menu and from here click from table or range and you will be directed to Power Query Editor. Now you can click on close and load to. Then from here select only create connection. We have done connection in one table. We need to repeat the same procedure for table 2 to create another connection. So we have two connections here for table 1 and table 2. Double click on any connection and you will be directed to Power Query again. Click this append query button and select append queries as new. We will get a small append window and it says concatenate rows from two tables into single table. Two radio buttons are visible, one for two tables and other is for more than two tables. Table 2 is selected as our first table. You need to select table 1. You have the opportunity to change these tables, like you can select table 1 in first table and table 2 in second table, etc. Click OK and you get this data. Here you can change the data type and can do more data cleaning that we will discuss later in another tutorial. Now click on close and load to. We need a pivot table report. Select pivot table report. Click OK and here is the new pivot table. You can close this connection window. Now testing time. Select regions in the rows box and order date in the columns box. You can see that I have 2 years data in one pivot table, but technically we had two different years data in two sheets. But what if the data is in different workbooks, even in different locations? Situation 2. Data in different workbooks. This process is almost same as the previous method, only you need to be careful at the beginning where I am selecting the data. I have these two different Excel workbooks. Workbooks can be more than two, but the procedure would be same. In this example, I am considering two workbooks only. I need to create a pivot table from these two workbooks. First job first, convert this data range into table. Name it like table 3 and table 4. Save and close. Open a new workbook and click on data. Click on get data and from this list, from file and click from Excel workbook. Here I need to select table 3 or first dataset. Then select table and click on load to and select only create connection. First table is connected. Now do the same thing for the second data. Select this table and load to and only create connection. I will follow the previous steps. Double click on any table connection and append queries as new. Select the tables and click OK. Close and load to and select pivot table report and done. You can test it. I will upload these Excel workbooks. The best benefit that I think is that you will get the updates in future by just refreshing the pivot table. If you add some data in these tables, you don't need to get through all these steps every time as the connection is permanent in your system. If you have any query in Excel, please feel free to mention it in comment box. I will definitely help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.